Okay, what's up everybody? Sorry I keep looking off in the distance. I'm by a dumpster right now. I don't know what store I'm behind, but I seen some in the GameStop store. Something in the GameStop dumpster way over yonder. I think right now it's like right around 9 o'clock, right about time they're gonna close. So I am going to put this on pause, and then when I come back, you'll be seeing what I am doing. Just to get a hint, I'm gonna turn this back on. Tire on this one, it stinks awful, but over there by GameStop and the phone store, I'm gonna see if maybe there's something in it. So it's a few over there that I'm gonna cruise by and see what's in it. If there's anything I see in it, I'll bring you guys back on. But other than that, wait for me. Sorry, I'm on bike on my way to the next one. I'm doing this in honor of some people, or some of the divers I've seen that do this. Speedy Diver for one. This one's packed pretty full. There is stuff inside dumpsters, dude. I don't know what this is.